The 2012 Yamaha PW50. Young kids that are looking to break into the world of motorbikes shouldn't be riding something that they still can't handle. That's why there's plenty of room in this world for bikes like the Yamaha PW50. For the past 25 years, Yamaha has been front and center in mini bike design and manufacturing, and they're continuing that trend with the PW50. Aimed at novice riders, the Twist and Go PW50 benefits from a range of safety features and rider-friendly designs that makes it the ideal choice for new bikers. With a low-maintenance technology backed up by Yamaha quality and reliability, this stylish mini bike is so easy to own and maintain. When it comes to kids' mini bikes, Yamaha is the clear leader. With the PW50's rider-friendly design, it's easy to see why this 50cc two-stroke is a firm favorite with kids that enjoy riding bikes and parents that are looking for a simple, comfortable, and safe bike to let their kids ride on. Find out more about the Yamaha PW50 after the jump. Design. The Yamaha PW50 is a minimally designed introductory bike that doesn't promise the world when it comes to cutting-edge technology. What it does is offer your kids a simple startup bike to enjoy. Although it weighs only 39 kilograms (86 pounds), the PW50 is still tough as nails and has been designed to deliver fun for kids of all ages. The bodywork is made from polypropylene, which combines high strength with low weight. The front and rear fenders and side panels are finished in racing blue, and bright tank graphics and white racing number backgrounds give this leading mini bike a sporty image. For the 2012 model, Yamaha added a number of design features, including new thick seat that cushions the trails, blows and allows maximum rider movement, the aforementioned Team Yamaha-inspired colors and graphics, front and side number plates that create styling just like the bigger off-roaders, large, folding foot pegs with rubber grips that provide excellent footing, and an adjustable throttle stop screw lets the adult in charge gradually increase speed as skills improve. Engine. The Yamaha PW50 is an ideal bike for tykes with its air-cooled 49cc, reed valve, two-stroke single engine that has been mildly tuned to deliver predictable power that gently eases the new rider up the off-road learning curve. The single-speed automatic transmission means that young ones don't have to think too much about changing gears. Doing so involves simply twisting the throttle, allowing them to concentrate on the ride ahead. The bike also comes with a class-exclusive shaft drive system, as virtually maintenance-free, and comes fully enclosed for added durability, and an exclusive Autolube oil injection system eliminates the need for fuel oil premixing. Chassis, suspension. A rugged steel backbone type frame class lowest 19.1 seat height creates a handling-enhancing low center of gravity while also allowing most riders to put both feet on the ground for added confidence. A 22.5 mm telescopic front fork with 60 mm (2.4) of travel smooths out the bumps, while a dual rear shock suspension with 50 mm (2 inches) of wheel travel delivers a plush, confidence-inspiring ride that shouldn't be all that sophisticated for newbie riders. Hand-operated brake levers are similar to those used on bicycles for familiarity, while the 10 inches front and rear tires provide excellent traction in the dirt. Specially designed one-piece rear fender, side panels, and seat can be easily removed for cleaning or maintenance. Pricing. Since the PW50 is more an introductory bike than anything else, don't expect a whole lot of features. Obviously, one good thing to come out of that is the price, with the PW50 only costing $1,290. Specifications. Quotes. Total motorcycle safety features like adjustable throttle and fully automatic transmission ensure your child's first riding experience will be all smiles. Yamaha Motor Europe. With the PW50's rider-friendly design, it's easy to see why this 50cc two-stroke is a firm favorite with kids and parents. Motorcycle USA. The Yamaha PW50 has a key-type ignition switch deters unauthorized riding. And a throttle stop screw lets the adult supervisor restrict speed while beginners are learning, and the handy choke lever is located right in front of the main switch for easy access. Dirt rider. No matter how big you are, this fun four-stroke is a blast for both kids and adults to play on. The electric starter is awesome, and although the stock bars aren't the best things on earth, the entire bike is actually pretty durable. If you're buying this bike for Junior, we suggest you keep it around after he outgrows it and make a play bike for yourself.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.